And you'll get used to tying, because your neck's thicker than mine, right? Or thinner. Anyhow, here we go. Wide. Okay. Then up through. That's right. Now, it falls one way, so let it go that way. No, wait a minute. Oh, sorry, you gotta go the other way. There you go. Go all the way around.
I went that way, and then I went.
That's right, that's right. All the way around. That's it. All the way around. And then through the middle.
Jesus Christ. Is it double Windsor or single Windsor?
Single Windsor.
Fuck is double Windsor?
Ian, I'm videotaping.
Oh!
Okay, now what? Do I go through here?
Yep, yep. Yeah, now tidy it up. See?
Let's see, boys.
That's
Smile.
That's a very sexy wide knot.